What's good, guys? This is Tony from AA Global FX, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use MetaTrader 5. So it's a very easy platform, and I'll just go through how to set it up so that you'll be able to take sells and buys within the chart. So let's go. From our last video, we stopped here where you would have entered your account. So if you entered your account here, you see the information from your derivative account connected to MT5. So when you come out here and you go down here to quotes, you see a list of different synthetic indice assets. So here we've got step index, boom 1000, crush 1000, the list goes on. So in this panel, if you want to add or remove, you go to this add button here. When you click that add button, it gives you all the symbols that are related to the broker that you're using. So currently the broker that we're using is Deriv. So we will see the assets that Deriv provides all here. So you find that there are volatility indices, crash and boom indices. We go all the way to crypto, to energies, to Forex major and minor pairs, to metals, all the way up to stock indices. So thankfully Deriv covers a variety of assets. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to work with synthetic indices. So here in volatility indices, when you click here, it will open and show you all the volatility indices that are available. Same as when you open crash and boom, it will show you what is available. So if I do not have a chart that side, what I'll do is click on one, and then it will disappear from here and it will appear back here. So that's how you add. So if you want to remove, you just go to edit, and then it'll give you the list. And when you do select, let's say I select crash 500, I don't want to deal with crash 500, I go to delete, and then I look for crash 500, I add it, and then I delete it. Simple. Okay, so now that we're done with this part, we now go to the charts, right? So the charts tab, what you will notice here is that it will display candles. If you're familiar with candles, that's what we use when we're trading to understand where price is going through price action. You see that you can also change these, right, by clicking and going to settings here and choosing the type, whether you want a bar chart or a line chart. So let's go for a line chart. You see the chart changes into a line. If you don't want the line chart and you're familiar with the candles, you just go here and then you choose back to your candlesticks, and then your candlesticks will be here. So as you can see here, this is step index, right? You can go on and choose B75. You open the chart, and then it'll show you the chart. So when you want to change your time frames, you can come here to M5. Here we're in the 5-minute time frame, or you can click your screen to open up a variety of time frames, right? So since we are analyzing this chart, we will go to the higher time frames, such as the daily. Okay, you can go all the way to 1 week, and you can go all the way to 1 month. All right, so you're able to follow price through those timelines. So you can then now go back to, let's say, 1 week. So that does it for the time frames. So when you want to add indicators, it's either you can click the screen and press this button, or you can use this. So when you're here, you can select what indicator you want. So you would want to put it in the main chart. So you select the indicators that you see here. So this is where you find all the MT5 indicators so you can go through them at your own time and see how they work for you. We're going to create a video to show you the most helpful indicators and the indicators that I use when I'm doing my chart analysis. Okay, now you can also select your shapes. Back here, you can select your objects, whether you want a line to actually, you can use it to map up your chart like that. All right, but I wouldn't advise that you analyze the chart on MT5 on the mobile. Basically, in MT5 on the mobile, we only use it for entries, but some people may not have a laptop or a computer, so this is what you guys will be probably seeing. So you can go all the way down to daily and then follow where the chart is going. All right, so whatever concept that you're using, you would select these shapes and lines to see and track where price might be going. So now we're looking at how to enter a trade. So let's say we've been analyzing our chart, right? And we see that, so let's say I see a trade and I believe that the market is going to go upward. I would then go to this icon here. When you do press it, you see the sell and buy. In the middle here, you see it display the lot size. So make sure that your lot size is at its lowest depending on the size of your account. But if you have small accounts, make sure that the lot size is at its lowest. So you come here and then you click until it's grayed out like that. And then the number doesn't move. You know that you're at your lowest lot size. Also, when you want to increase your lot size, you can then click here and then follow the steps. So you can add by these decimals like that. All right, if you want to lower it, you can lower it like that. To the lowest. So when you do pick the lowest and you are convinced that price will be going up, this is how you enter your trade. You enter a buy trade right there. You accept the terms and conditions after you read them, and then you go for a buy position. All right, so right now currently our buy is in the market. So what you then do now is you don't want to lose all of your money just in case the trade does not go your way. So what you do, you can just click on the buy, right? And then this icon will come out. You choose SL, which means stop loss, right? And you can move it depending on how much you are willing to risk, right? So when you put your stop loss there, you can then select your TP, all right? So in this trade, I want to go for a 1:2. So for losing that amount, I think I'll be able to risk that amount. Okay, my 1:2 is there, 230. I'm risking 115. Okay, so when I'm like this, I then go there and then accept, and then modify and hide. There you go. My trade has been set. I am predicting that the market will be going up to my TP, and my stop loss is down there. So this is how you would set a trade. It will be the same if you choose the sell or the buy. All right, so this is the trade tab. So when our trade is in motion, this is where we can follow it up and see how much it's made or how much it's lost. So currently when it's blue like this, it means that we are in the profit side. If it's red, it shows that you are in loss. So you would be monitoring your trades in this panel. So you see your balance right here, you see your equity, you see your margin, you see your free margin, and you see your margin level percentage right here. everything is displayed right here. Okay, if you enter multiple trades, it will show each and every trade right here. So let's go to the next tab. So this is your history tab. In your history tab, you'll find that it will show your positions, your orders, and your deals. So basically here, what it shows is the history of the trades that you've been taking. Okay, so it'll show your profits, it'll show your deposits, it'll show your swap fee, it'll show your commission, and it'll show your balance. When you come to orders, it'll show you the orders that have been filled. So we, in this example, we entered a trade on volatility 75 index, which is a buy trade. So we can follow it here. Now the deals that we made, right? The profit, your deposit, your swap, your commission, and your balance. In this section, you see all the money that you would have made and you would have lost, with the time, the price, as well as the code. Now we come to this tab. This tab is your new section, but in this scenario, we do not use this as our news source. We're going to show you in the next coming episode on which is the best platform to get your news, especially when you are trading news events such as the NFP as well as the CPI. So this was the MT5 tutorial. I hope you guys liked it and you understood how to use the platform and how to enter and exit the trade. So now when you want to exit the trade, you click and hold this button, right? When you do that, this option, the closing option, will appear down here. So you can, with this tab, you can choose to close your position, you can choose to modify your position, you can add a new order, you can go to the chart, and you can do bulk operations. Bulk operations is when you've opened multiple positions and you want to close them all at once. So this is a very good tab to play with, especially if you open multiple positions. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Lesson. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is Tony from AA Global FX, and I'll see you later.